Ever look at a piece of wood and wonder what it's hiding? Most people see a plank. They see a table, or maybe just a shelf. But for guys like Silas, wood is a puzzle that hasn't been solved yet. Silas lives in a small town in Vermont, where the winters are long, and the only thing louder than the wind is the scream of his table saw. He's not just building furniture, he's chasing perfection. See that joint? That's a double blind dovetail. To the untrained eye, it looks like two boards just magically grew together. But look closer. Silas spent 4 hours, 4 exhausting hours, on a single corner. He uses a chisel so sharp you could shave with it. One wrong move, one tiny slip of the hand, and the whole project is firewood. It's about patience. It's about that breath you hold right before the mallet hits the wood. Thwack! The fit is so tight, air can't even escape. It's not just good enough. It's structural art. But the real magic? That happens at the end. Silas takes dozens of different species, walnut, maple, cherry, purple heart, and glues them into a chaotic mosaic. It looks like a mess until he runs it through the planer. Suddenly, the colors pop. The grain dances. He sprays on that final coat of oil and, man, the wood just wakes up. It's a symphony of textures, all locked together by hands that refuse to settle for anything less than flawless. In a world full of good enough, be the guy who cares about the parts that nobody will ever see.